Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.2 on our question number 12. So in this question it has been said that the inner radius of a metallic tube of density 10 gram per centimeter cube is 7 centimeter. The thickness of the tube is 0.35 centimeter. Find the weight of the tube if it is of length 30 centimeter. Okay, so we have to given the inner radius of the metallic tube. Okay, so let R1 be the inner radius of cylindrical tube. So this is given to us. Inner radius R1, this is given to us, which is equal to 7 centimeter, and thickness of the tube is given. Thickness is given, which is 0.3 centimeter, and let R2 be the radius of outer cylinder. Okay, so outer radius of the tube equal to outer radius. This is R2 equal to radius of inner cylinder plus thickness. So here 7 centimeter plus thickness is 0.35 centimeter is equal to 7.35 centimeter. This is the outer radius of the metallic tube. Okay. And finally we have to ask, find the weight of the tube if its length is 30 centimeter, and also length is given. Length, this is small h equal to 3 centimeter. So to find the weight of metallic tube, so before finding the weight, first I will find what is the volume of the tube. Okay, so volume of metallic tube equal to the volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So this means pi R2 square h minus pi R1 square h. Okay, so here take pi and h is common, so this expression become pi R2 square minus R1 square into h. Now over here substituting the value of pi R1 R2 and h. Okay, so the value pi is 22/7, and radius R2, this is 7.3 pi whole square minus R1 is 7 whole square into h is, which is 30 centimeter. Okay. Okay, then square of 7.35. Okay, so this will be 4.0 2 pi. Okay, 2 5, this is 49, this is whole centimeter cube into 30 centimeter cube. Okay, now simplify. So we will get, this is 22 by 7 into 54.0225 minus 49. So after simplification, this to get me 5.0225 into 30 centimeter cube. Okay, again multiply 22 by 5.0225 into 30, so that gives the value 3314.65 divided by 7 centimeter cube. Okay, 3314.65 centimeter cube, and finally that gives us 4735.5 centimeter cube. So this is the volume, total volume of the metallic tube. And here the density of tube is given 10 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so therefore the total weight of tube, this means we need to multiply the volume of the metallic tube by 10 gram. So weight of the cube equal to 4735 into 5 into 10 gram. Okay, 4335 into 10 gram. This is 473.55 centimeter cube volume. Okay, and this is here, decimal is over here, and finally that gives us 4735.5 gram. Okay, 4735.5 gram. So this is the total weight of the metallic tube. Okay, okay children, now move to the question number 13. So in this question it has been said that a cylindrical tank has a radius of 154 centimeter. It is filled with water till a height 3 meter. If some more water to be a height of 0.5 meter is poured into it, what will be the increase in the volume of water? Okay, so the radius R of cylindrical tank is given us. This is 154. Okay, 154 centimeter. Okay, this is 154 centimeter. So to change in meter, so we need to divide by 100 meter is equal to 154 upon 100. Okay, now simplify. So this is 2 5 are 10, 7 are 14, 77 by 50 meter. And also say the water, if it is filled with water till a height 3 meters. Suppose this is the cylinder. Okay, first the water is filled. Suppose this is a height 3 meter, and if some more water is added, then height will become 4.5 meter. Suppose this is a height h1 and this is a h2. Okay, so height h1, suppose height h1 is first 3 meter and h2 be the height after pour some water in the tank. This is given 4.5 meter. Okay, so we have to ask what will the increase in the volume. So increase in the volume of water equal to the volume of water of height h2 and minus volume of water of height h1. So the increase in volume will be defined by increase in the volume of water equal to, so increase in the volume of water equal to pi r2 pi r square h2 minus pi r square h1. So this is pi, the pi r square is common and this will be h2 minus h1. The value of pi is 42/7 and radius r is, this is 77 by 50 meter. Okay, 7 times 2 times 7 by 50 into, and height h2 minus h1. So here h2 is 4.5 minus 3 meter cube overall. So here we can cancel 7 by this. So write 22/7 into 7/50 into 7/50 into 4 minus 3 is 1.5 meter cube. Okay, this is 1.5 meter cube. Now finally, after multiplication and division, so we will get 1.180 centimeter cube. Okay, 1.18 centimeter cube. 04. Okay, 1.1840 centimeter cube volume. Okay, and here we have to ask what will be the increase in volume of water. So in liter we need to multiply 1000. So 1.180 on 1000 liter is equal to 1.1180.4 liter. Okay, 1180.4 liter. So this is the volume of water increase in the tank. Okay.